Hi there, I'm Diva, and welcome back to my channel, Divashiro. So I'm here again, friends, because I would like to share with you another way of customizing your Google Chrome appearance. But this time we will be doing it by using its own browser settings. Now, there was another video I created last time wherein you can customize the Google Chrome in a different way. So if you have not watched that video, I provide you a link on the description below this video so that you can review it. Alright, so this time, let's learn this one. So let's proceed now to the Google Chrome. So here, we're not going to customize this appearance here by accessing the Customize Chrome button, but instead, we will be doing it by clicking these three dots found on the upper corner section of the browser. And then proceed to the settings. So here in the settings page of the Google Chrome, you will get to see so many things that you can navigate or manage. But what we will be focusing only today on this video is here, this appearance. So let's click. And these are the things that you can do or change if you want to customize the appearance of the Google Chrome. Now, some of the options here, I don't need to change this one because I'm satisfied with the default provided by the Google Chrome. Like for example, the page zoom, it's 100%, so I'll leave it that way. But if you don't like it, you can always have other ways on how you could change it. Customize fonts as well. So like this one, you can adjust the font size, the standard font, you can change that one. But in my case, I'll leave it this way as well. And there's a much easier way on how you could change the font size here. Though medium here is recommended, but you can change it in a much smaller size or even larger. So we'll leave it that way. Here's a show home button. You just turn this one on, and you would see here a home icon beside the address bar, and you can actually choose here and indicate a specific website. By the time that you would click the home button, you would be directed to that website right away. So I'll just leave it on. And show bookmarks bar. So if you toggle this, there's a space here in the upper section of the browser. If there are bookmarks here already that has been saved, it will be shown here on this section on the bookmark bar. So let's leave it that way. Now, what we will be doing is this one, the theme. So if you click this, there's a label here, Open Chrome Web Store. So we will be directed to that. So if we click this button here, and let's wait for the Chrome Web Store, and there you go. So there are plenty and different variation of designs or themes that you may apply to your Google Chrome. So plenty of options and choices to select. So let's try an example here. I like to try the space exploration. So let's click the view all to see more of its choices. There. So I would like to try this lone tree. And here you will get to see how many users currently are using this kind of theme to their browser, short description, and even reviews given by those who have tried applying it to their browser. Now, what we're going to do next so that this theme will be applied to our browser is to click this button, this blue button labeled as Add to Chrome. So we'll just wait for a couple of seconds until the Chrome has completely applied this to our browser. How will you know? There will be changes suddenly on the upper section of the browser. And there will be this one, a message here telling you that what you have selected has been successfully installed. But if you don't like this design or theme, you can always undo. So for us to see the overall theme of what we have applied, so let's click a new tab. There you go. So that's the entire theme that we have selected. Okay, but like I said, you can always undo that one after checking the design, and if you have not decided yet, then you can always go back to this, undo, and choose more of the themes. So for me, I'll just leave it this way since I'm happy about it. So I'll just close this one and I will close the settings too. Alright? So friends, if you think that this video is helpful to you, please do not forget to like this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Divashiro, and hit the bell button for you to be updated of my upcoming video. So for now, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.